In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new QuickBooks Online account. If you're planning to manage your business finances efficiently, setting up QuickBooks Online is a great step forward. So, let's dive into the steps you need to get started. First, open your preferred web browser and perform a search for QuickBooks Online. This will lead you to QuickBooks' official page, a hub for various features that QuickBooks offers. Once you're on the website, look for an option that says Sign up today and get started. This is typically associated with QuickBooks Online Advanced, a powerful tool designed to help businesses manage their finances more effectively. Clicking on this will direct you to the next step of the account creation process. As you proceed, you'll see the option labeled Get Started. Clicking on this will guide you to select the appropriate QuickBooks Online plan that matches your business's needs. QuickBooks offers different plans, each with distinct features and pricing, so take your time to explore these options before making a decision. Choose the plan best suited for your business and click on Select Plan. After selecting your preferred plan, continue by clicking on the Continue button. This action will prompt you to start inputting your personal details. Here, make sure you provide accurate information such as your name, email address, and any other required fields. It's important to double-check these details to avoid any future complications. Once you have filled in your personal details, you'll encounter a button that says One More Step. Clicking on this will bring you to the final stages of your account setup where you need to enter your payment details and billing address. QuickBooks requires this information to complete your registration process and to set up your billing schedule. Finally, when all your details have been entered, both personal and payment information, you will see the Checkout button. Click on this button to finalize your account creation. This action confirms that you've successfully created a new QuickBooks Online account, thus unlocking access to a range of tools that can help you keep your business's financial health in check. By following these steps, you'll have your QuickBooks Online account up and running. With this, you're now equipped to streamline your business accounting processes, making it easier to handle everything from invoices to expense tracking and beyond. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful.